So guys, yes, in hotel, it's close or near to Yaumatay Station. I found this hostel sa vlog lang din. Thank you sa mga nagre-recommend or sa mga nakastay na dito at they also vlog it. And now I also vlog it in a short in YouTube. So yeah, if you see, this is just my room, or if kung makatake kayong ganitong bed lang, like bed space, kasi tutulugan lang naman siya. No, tutulugan lang siya kasi gagala tayo. So for now, that's my mindset. May accommodation, I can take accommodation like this for now. So for now kasi I'm looking forward for pagtatanda na siguro, if I can still, able to travel, then maybe I can choose a better and a more really comfortable place for me. Yeah, so nasa 25th floor tayo. Maganda siya, makikita siya pag may sunrise. Maganda. Bye! Thank you for watching!